What's up guys, welcome to another video with Dos Bros. Our videos have closed captions in different languages, but excuse if there is any typos as they are created by AI.
And today we're going to show you how some people live here at the Venice Canals, this little cute small neighborhood in Venice Beach. When it was built, it was meant to replicate the Venice of Italy. And if you guys never been here or don't know where it is, don't forget to check out our channel where you can find out all these details. Also, if you like our adventures, don't forget to hit that like button. Smash it and come with us to some great adventures.
Come on in guys, and let's go check out how the houses are here where the canals in Venice Beach are. We know that a lot of you guys, just like we did, wonder how the houses look inside. Let me tell you guys, there's some really nice houses here in the canals in Venice Beach. The one we found, they were doing an open house because they were selling the house, and it's about $6 million. And just from the front entrance, the house looks pretty cool. It has a nice yard right in the front, and it's overlooking the canal. This will be a great spot for like a holiday, like 4th of July or something like that. It would be great just to be in here. And just next to it, it has the continuation to the patio with a picnic table that is right next to it. And it has some really pretty nice place for a fire pit, I should say. And the realtor told us that they were going to do another guest house here in this area, but then they just decided to do it green, which I think it was a pretty good idea. And once you enter the house, you will be in front of the kitchen, and then the living room is right next to it, and it's a pretty nice living room. It's very open and it looks pretty modern. It has a fire pit right next to the TV and big windows where you can see the patio and the canal. And this is the first floor, guys. Let's go to the second floor and check it out. In the second floor, you will find one of the main rooms and also the laundry room right inside a closet where you have like a little faucet right there and the laundry machines. It looks pretty cool. And also you will find this little probably like a studio where you can have your office or maybe just a place for your kids to do homework. And this is the room I like. I like it because it overlooks the canal. It looks super close and it has the best view in the house. Imagine waking up in the morning and having that view of the Venice Beach canals. And the closet is huge. It's a walk-in closet that leads to the bathroom. The bathroom is also pretty nice. It's very spacious. It has a toilet right here. Like it's almost like a whole room. Look at that. And then to the side it has the shower, which has a big old mirror next to the side, which makes it look like the shower is huge. Look at that. And makes it look more spacious, almost like there's two showers. And the sinks are pretty great too. They're sensor motion. Obviously, this is a pretty modern house. All right, guys, let's go to the third floor and check it out. It's pretty cool. Even the stairs are pretty great here. Look at this, glass stairs. It's pretty nice. And once you get to the top and you look to your left, you will see this nice terrace with the patio outside. It's pretty great. It's nice for nice gatherings or, parties or whatever. It's one of the coolest spots here in the house. Once you get in there, you have everything you need for that gathering. You have a mini fridge, you have sink, you got some seats right there, a table, and it has the nicest view. I can picture Dos Bros family here throwing a patio when we reach 1 million subscribers. It's gonna be pretty soon, we hope. But for now, if you're enjoying this video, just help us out by hitting the like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss any great adventures while you're taking a look at this view from the canal.
It's free and it would tremendously help our channel grow.
This terrace is for sure really great to have a birthday, watch a game, bring your friends or something over. It has a TV right here. It's just a good spot to be in the house. And also on this third floor, you will find the 2 other rooms that are in the house. And the first room is not as spacious as the one in the bottom, which I think it was the main room. It has a big closet and the decoration that they have right now here in the room, it looks pretty nice. It also has a nice shower here, check it out. And this one was actually one of the smallest bedrooms that the house had. All the other ones have bigger bedrooms, and this one is also a pretty nice room. It's a pretty good size, and the bedroom had a jacuzzi. And it's probably the second biggest bedroom compared to that other one that we showed you before. This house is truly really nice. Who wouldn't like to live here? Let us know in the comments what you guys think. And check it out, parking is always a problem here in Venice Beach, but this house has parking for 4 cars. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was truly a nice house here, but don't forget to check out this other video when we went to the Comic-Con in San Diego, California, where we show you the fun things that you can do just outside the Comic-Con, even if you don't have a ticket to go in.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros, we out.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right.